This quick tutorial will show you exactly how to reset Salesforce Authenticator. Whether you've changed devices or need a fresh start, resetting your Salesforce Authenticator can be straightforward when you know the steps. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to the Salesforce setup. This is where all the magic happens. So, to begin, go to the top right of the Salesforce interface. Look for the gear icon, which represents the setup menu, and click on it. This will open up a drop-down menu. From here, select Setup to access the administrative features of Salesforce. Once you're in the setup area, you'll see a variety of options on the left-hand side of your screen. Scroll through these until you find the Users section. This is an important area because it contains all the settings related to user management within your Salesforce environment. Click on Users to proceed. Now that you're in the Users section, you'll see a list of all the users associated with your Salesforce account. Find your name from this list and click on it. This step is crucial because it takes you to your personal user settings where you can manage your own Authenticator app connections. With your user settings open, the next step is to scroll down to find App Registration, Salesforce Authenticator. This section shows all the apps connected to your Salesforce account via the Authenticator. It's where you'll be able to manage these connections. Here, you will find the option to disconnect. Clicking this will effectively reset the Salesforce Authenticator associated with your account. This action is necessary if you want to set up the Authenticator from scratch or if you've encountered issues with your current setup. Just a quick tip, before you click disconnect, make sure that you have access to any backup codes or alternative authentication methods. This ensures you're not locked out of your account during the transition period. It's always a good idea to have a backup plan when dealing with security features like authenticators. Once you've clicked disconnect, your Salesforce Authenticator will be reset. You can now set it up again on the same device or a new one by following the usual setup steps for a fresh connection. This involves downloading the Salesforce Authenticator app from your device's app store and going through the pairing process once more. And there you have it. Resetting your Salesforce Authenticator is as simple as navigating through the setup, accessing your user settings, and clicking disconnect. Remember, keeping your Authenticator up to date and ensuring it's connected correctly is crucial for maintaining the security of your Salesforce account. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial on how to reset your Salesforce Authenticator. I hope you found it helpful and easy to follow. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments below or consult Salesforce's support resources for additional guidance. Take care and happy Salesforce managing.